to Gradeup. Hello everyone and welcome to Gradeup. I give you a very warm welcome from our end from Gradeup to the daily current affairs for 2nd of April 2020. So today we are going to discuss the important news and events for 2nd of April 2020. Hello everyone. So this is a special series. This is a very special series that we are bringing for students who are preparing for various law exams across the country. This is a special series for those of you who are preparing for CLAT, ALET, MHH, CET as well as other law entrance examination. Good evening all of you. Okay, a warm welcome from Gradeup. Okay, so let's see which are those important news and events. Which are those important news and events that you as a preparing student for CLAT and ALET must and should know. Okay, moving ahead. First up, a very important news coming up. Justice Rajneesh Oswal has been sworn in as the judge of the Jammu and Kashmir High Court. He is the first judge to be sworn in to the Common High Court of Union Territories of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh under the Indian Constitution. Now please remember this. Why is this important news? The importance of the news is this, that till date, there used to be a erstwhile High Court of Jammu and Kashmir, wherein judges used to be sworn in under the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir. But after the removal of Article 370 of the Indian Constitution, wherein Indian Constitution has been made applicable to the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir as well as to the Union Territory of Ladakh. Here is the first judge who is sworn in to the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir under the Indian Constitution. Please keep this in your mind. He is sworn in to the Common High Court of Jammu and Kashmir, Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir as well as the Union Territories of Ladakh, and he has taken oath under the Indian Constitution. Okay, very important. He is the first judge. Keep this in your mind. Okay, there might be a GK question. Who happens to be the first judge of the High Court for the Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh to be sworn in under the Indian Constitution? And your answer is Justice Rajneesh Oswal. Please keep this in your mind. Very important. Okay. Up next, a very important judgment coming from the Delhi High Court. Okay, it's a very important judgment coming from the Delhi High Court insofar as whether a minor can donate organs. Okay, now let's see what the High Court has said. Now please see that minors, okay, people who are below 18 years. Am I clear? Minors are those people who are below 18 years. Now the question is whether minors can donate organs. The question is this. Am I clear, friends? Did you understand what is the question? The Delhi High Court has today said that there is no prohibition under the Transplantation of Human Organs and Tissue Act 1994 on minors from donating organs. But this organ transfer, insofar as minors is concerned, is to be permitted only under exceptional medical grounds. Very important. Okay, please keep this in your mind. Am I clear? So here is a very, very important judgment coming from the Delhi High Court. The Delhi High Court was faced with a question whether minors who are below the age of 18 can donate organs. The Delhi High Court has today said that there is no prohibition, no restriction under the Transplantation of Human Organs and Tissue Act 1994 on minors from donating organs. Am I clear? The High Court has also said that minors can donate organs only under exceptional medical grounds. Very, very important. Now, here is a very important act that is passed insofar as organ transplantation is concerned. That is known as the Transplantation of Human Organ and Tissues Act 1994. Now, this is a legislation, this is a law that is passed by the Parliament, which relates to organ donation and organ transplantation. So you see in medical science, a lot of people, you will see that there is someone says, okay, there is a liver transplant, there is a heart transplant, there is kidney transplant, there is tissue transplant. So these kind of things happen under a particular law. Am I clear? So this law, that is Transplantation of Human Organ and Tissue Act 1994, relates to organ donation and organ transplantation in India. This is aimed at regulating the removal, storage and transplantation of human organ for medical purpose, that is called therapeutic purpose, okay, for medical purpose, and for prevention of commercial dealing with human organs. Now, this very act, this legislation prohibits, there is a prohibition, okay, it prohibits what? Commercial dealing of human organ. Am I clear, friends? So here is an legislation that is passed by the Union Parliament, which deals with organ donation, organ transplantation in India. It aims to regulate the removal, storage and transplantation of human organ. Am I clear? And to prevent commercial dealing of human organ. Am I clear, friends? Now, another important piece of information is this: as on today, that is the 2nd of April 2020, the Chief Justice of the Kerala High Court, this should be Delhi, of the Delhi High Court is Justice D.N. Patel. Am I clear, friends? The Chief Justice of Delhi is D.N. Patel. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Okay, therapeutic purpose explains, sir. Shrishti Raj says, okay, it's for medical purpose. It means medical purpose. Okay, for medical purpose. Am I clear, Shrishti? Okay, it is for a medical purpose. Am I clear? Okay. We move on to the next important information. The Kerala High Court has come out with an important direction today. Okay. Now, before I tell you about this order that has come from the Kerala High Court, I'll just give you a brief background of the facts. The Kerala government, during the 21-day lockdown, 21 days lockdown, came up with a order or a notification that allowed the supply of alcohol during the coronavirus lockdown to those suffering from withdrawal symptoms on a doctor's prescription. So generally the law is, during a lockdown there is no alcohol, right? Now the Kerala High Court, the Kerala government said that people who are suffering from withdrawal, on a doctor's prescription will be supplied alcohol during the coronavirus lockdown. Am I clear? Did you understand this, friend? Okay. Now, so the Kerala High Court, the Kerala government decided to allow the supply of alcohol during this current 21-day lockdown to those people who are suffering from certain withdrawal symptoms relating to alcohol on a doctor's prescription. Now that order of the Kerala government was challenged. Okay, this order that was passed to allow the supply of alcohol during this coronavirus lockdown was challenged before the High Court. Today, the High Court has stayed the government's decision, has put a stay on the decision to allow the supply of alcohol during the current lockdown. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Now, another very important fact is this: the Chief Justice of Kerala High Court happens to be Justice S. Manikumar. Very, very important, okay? Please keep this in your mind. The direction that was given by the Kerala High Court, okay? There is a stay, okay? Stay of the government order. Am I clear? Did you understand, friends? Okay? Did you understand? Okay? Up next, another very, very important order coming from the Kerala High Court. The Kerala High Court has today directed the removal of the Karnataka border blockade for emergency medical purpose. Now, before I go to the direction, let me tell you the facts. The Karnataka state government, now Karnataka and Kerala are two neighboring states, okay? So there is Karnataka and the other one is Kerala, okay? So suppose there is a road that connects Karnataka and Kerala. Now there is a highway, this is a national highway, NH, national highway. Now there is a blockade by Karnataka. Karnataka is not allowing any traffic to move from Kerala to Karnataka. So Karnataka has blocked this highway owing to the national lockdown, the current lockdown that is going on. Now, the Kerala High Court has today has directed the central government, the union government, to intervene in the blockade and to ensure that the blockade are removed forthwith, so that there is free movement of vehicles carrying persons for urgent medical treatment. So, for urgent medical treatment, the government, the High Court of Kerala has directed the union government to intervene and to remove this blockade. Am I clear? Did you understand, friends? Okay. So today the direction of the Kerala High Court is that the central government should step in. The central government should intervene in the matter and ensure that the blockade that is done by the Karnataka state government is removed, so that free movement of vehicles carrying persons for urgent medical treatment between the two states can continue. Am I clear, friends? Did you understand? Okay. Okay. We move on. Up next, a couple of sad news because of this coronavirus outbreak. Because of this coronavirus pandemic, Wimbledon The oldest tennis tournament, has been cancelled for the first time since World War II. Very, very important. Since World War II. Since World War II, this is 2020 is the first time. Wimbledon 2020 will be the first time when the Wimbledon will be cancelled after the World War II because of this COVID-19. Am I clear? Because of this COVID-19 outbreak or the pandemic, the oldest tennis tournament, Wimbledon 2020, stands cancelled for the first time since World War II. Very, very important. Okay? Up next, the United Nations COP26 Climate Change Summit has been postponed. Another bad news. The United Nations COP26, it is said, generally we pronounce it as United Nations COP26 Climate Change Summit, has been postponed due to the coronavirus pandemic. The summit was to take place in November. But it has been postponed because of this COVID-19, that is the coronavirus outbreak. Because of this coronavirus pandemic, the United Nations COP26 Climate Change Summit, which was due to take place in November, has been postponed. Am I clear? The summit was to be held where? In Glasgow, in United Kingdom. Very, very important. Very, very important. The summit was to be held in Glasgow in United Kingdom, and it has been postponed. Very, very important. Okay, Wimbledon has been cancelled. Wimbledon 2020 has been cancelled, and United Nations COP26 Climate Change Summit has been postponed for the year. Very, very important. Okay, friends, it gives me immense pleasure that we are starting a crash course called for CLAT and other law entrance examination students who are intending to give in the year 2020. Okay, friends? So at Gradeup, we have decided to come up with a crash course, as I have already told you. Today at 8 o'clock is the first live session where we are going to launch the course and tell you in details what this course is going to happen. This will help you in scoring better for your CLAT, ALET, Symbiosis, MHCT and other law entrance exam. Okay, so today at 8 o'clock sharp, we are going to get live and launch the course, a crash course for Law 2020. So don't forget to watch today's session at 8 p.m. The link of the same has been given to you in the description. With this, we come to the end of today's class. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss on any of the notifications. Thank you very, very much and God bless you. So I hope to see you live at 8 o'clock today, where we are going to launch a crash course for people who are planning to sit for CLAT, ALET, MHCT for the year 2020. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Thank you.